Respiratory system. The respiratory system is the system that helps you breathe in and out. As you breathe in, your lungs take in the oxygen of the air and you breathe out the waste gas, carbon dioxide. How your respiratory system works. When you breathe in, air is taken in through your nostrils or mouth. It travels down through the throat and windpipe to two tubes, bronchial tubes, and enters the lungs. Here, the blood absorbs oxygen and carries it to all parts of your body. In the same way, carbon dioxide in the blood passes into the lungs and you breathe it out. When the air comes into your nose, it gets filtered by the tiny hairs present inside your nose. The germs and other unwanted particles are absorbed by the mucus layer present in the nose and clean air goes into the lungs. Breathing muscles. You breathe using two sets of muscles. The muscle between the ribs and a flat sheet of muscle below the lungs called diaphragm. When you breathe out, the diaphragm moves up. The rib muscles relax and the ribs move in. This forces carbon dioxide out of your lungs. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves down. The rib muscles pull the ribs outwards and air goes into your lungs. Keep your respiratory system healthy. Exercise and eat healthy foods. Avoid sitting next to a person who smokes. Avoid dusty and polluted areas. Breathing rates. The normal respiratory rate changes with age. Teenagers, young adults, children, and babies have faster respiratory rates. Aged people have slower breathing rates. Breathing rates increase when you exercise. From birth to 6 months, 30 to 60 breaths per minute. After the age of 6 months, 24 to 30 breaths per minute. 1 to 5 years old, 20 to 30 breaths per minute. 6 to 12 years old, 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Adults and children over the age of 12, 14 to 18 breaths per minute. Comparative respiratory systems. In animals, 3 such systems can be seen: gills, aquatic organisms; trachea, insects; lungs, terrestrial vertebrates including man.